everyone, today I'm going to share my experience with nano-realistic image creation which was trending using the three popular AI tools Gemini, Perplexity and ChatGPT. And here it is. I tested all three on a fun idea on something new and exciting, the nano-realistic dual person feature. Yes, I created two images in the same scene and wow, the results are very pretty eye-opening. First up, Gemini. Wow, Gemini really surprised me. The output was super cool, fast, and honestly, the realism was on another level. You can literally see the tiny textures, shadows, and details that make you go, oh, this looks almost real. For me, Gemini's results felt the most photographic and natural, like you could almost touch it. And the next, Perplexity. Now, Perplexity also did an amazing job. Speed, super fast, just like Gemini. The results were very accurate and realistic too. The difference, if you look closely, Gemini just has that extra bit of refinement. But honestly, Perplexity is almost neck to neck. You will only notice the difference if you stare long enough. Finally, ChatGPT. Now, here's where things were different. ChatGPT wasn't able to generate this image at all. Instead, it gave me a message saying the request violated content policies. Basically, while Gemini and Perplexity produced results instantly, ChatGPT couldn't deliver for this specific nano banana request. As you have seen, I gave the exact same prompt to all the three AI tools. Gemini came back fast and gave me the most realistic and detailed output. Perplexity was also very quick, and the results were almost just as realistic, just a tiny bit less polished. Whereas ChatGPT, however, couldn't generate the image at all. It flagged the request under policy restrictions. So overall, Gemini takes the crown. Perplexity is a very second close, and ChatGPT still needs to catch up in nano realistic image creations. I have actually provided the exact prompt I used down in the description. You can copy it and try it yourself to create a dual nano realistic image just like the one I showed you in this video. Give it a shot and tell me how it worked for you. That's it for today's test. Thank you, and I'll catch you up in my next video.